Good afternoon, class 5. Welcome to social studies. We are going to start a new topic. Our new topic is people and population. Under people and population, we'll talk about language groups in Kenya. In class 4, you define the term language groups or the language group, whereby you say that language groups are a group of people who are communicating similar language. Now, we are going to give out the groups of language that are found in Kenya. And the groups of language the group of language that we have in Kenya are as follows. We have Bantus, Nilotes, Semites, Kushites, and Asians. We also have another group which is also known as Europeans. So automatically in Kenya we have 6 language groups. We will talk more about those language groups in class 5. We will be able to describe where they came from, the examples, and where they are originating as per now. So let's start with Bantus. Bantus, they originated from Congo, Cameroon region in Central Africa. So they are the largest group in Kenya, and they came in two ways. So they are divided into 2 groups. So that is Western Bantu and Eastern Bantus. From the word Western, you'll find out that these Western Bantus entered in Kenya through West, then they settled on most part of West. So let's look at the Western Bantus. Western Bantus entered in Kenya through West from Uganda, along the Uganda. Now, when they were coming from Congo, Cameroon region, they came all along Kenya and they entered from Uganda, then they settled at the western part of Kenya. So Western Bantus are in 4 groups. They are as follows. We have Abagusi, Abaluya, Abakuria, and Abasuba. So these are groups that create Western Bantus. We also have Eastern Bantus. They entered Kenya through south from Tanzania. Eastern Bantus are divided into 2. That is Central Bantus and Coastal Bantus. So Central Bantus are the ones that nowadays they settle in the central part of Kenya, and the Coastal Bantu, they are found in the coastal region, that is the coastal part of Kenya, eastern part of Kenya, that coastal region of Kenya. So Central Bantus, we have Agikuyu, Akamba, Ameru. We also have Ambere and Aembu. Sorry for misspelled their word. There is a Amebea. It is Aembu. We also have Coastal Bantus, whereby Coastal Bantus, these people entered from south, and then the Coastal Bantu migrated. They entered in south, then they migrated to the coastal part. The central people went all along from south to central part of Kenya, where they are as original place. So Coastal Bantus are Mijikenda, Pokomo, Taita. That is all about Bantus. Let's go to Nilotes. Nilotes are the other group of language that came to Kenya. The Nilotes came from Bahr el Ghazal in southwestern Sudan. So they came also in 3 groups: Plain Nilotes, Highland Nilotes, and River Lake Nilotes. The Plain Nilotes were the first one to migrate in Kenya, and they came all along from south and they entered through northern region of Kenya, that is into Turkana, then they came all along to where they are. Now Plain Nilotes groups are Turkana, Masais, Samburus, Teso. There's also of We also have another examples like James or El Chamus. We also have another Nilot, whereby another plain Nilot, which is called El Molo. So we have the plain Nilotes. They were the first group of Nilotes to come, and then we say that they migrated. They moved into Kenya using the northern part of Kenya. So they followed Turkana all the way, and they move and they settle along Mount Elgon. So plain Nilotes, their group, I've said, include Turkana, Samburu, Ilchamus, Teso, and El Molo. The second groups were the Highland Nilotes. The Highland Nilotes they were the second group. So these Highland Nilotes, they are classified into a certain group known as Kalenjin. So the Kalenjin are occupied along the Mount Elgon, and then they enter through Rift Valley Islands. This is where they occupy now. You find some of them are in Kericho, Bomet, Sotik, Nandi, Kitale, Londiani, Uasin Gishu, Turbo, Eldoret, all those parts. Now the Highland Nilotes, we have Nandi, Tugen, Marakwet. We also have Keio, Pokot, Kipsigis, Terik, and Sabaut. So they are the groups of people that make up what we call Highland Nilotes. So we also have River Lake Nilotes. This was the third group to enter according to the Nilotes. So they followed the River Nile Valley into Uganda, then they enter into along the Lake Victoria region. There is only one River Lake Nilote, and they are the Luo. So they proceeded to Kenya and settled in a place known as Nyanza. That is the end of this subtopic. We'll continue more about language groups, whereby we'll be highlighting about Kushites, Semites, and other language groups such as Asian and Europeans. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of your time. That was my lesson. I am teacher Okoth. Thank you.